All right, and we're starting our first pass in Chick-fil-A Autocross. Come around the corner. Oh, we have to first turn there. Come around, hit that apex correct. Accelerate. Oh, hit the apex on his cone right. Come around. And come this. Oh. Chick-fil-A Autocross. Come around. Hit stop. All right, we start. Come around here. Oh. Yes, this is for David. So what's the fastest autocross time around the cones and stuff?
I don't have any.
There's no record?
Not that I know of.
Thank you. And this is our trophy for fastest Chick-fil-A autocross time. Some breakfast.